Okay, so I was just thinking about like different approaches to healing, and I was putting in a note for a client, and it was, well, a few dynamics going on, but main one being comparing current life situation experience to others and blaming choices made in the past to get others' approval and not really following on hard, you know, and not having that life. And then it's the other dynamic of, the choices that you made being the best choice and decision for you in that moment, and given all the same circumstances, you would make the same choice. The only way you would make a different choice is if you knew all the things that you know now then, and you didn't. So you would have made the same choice. And so it's accepting that there wasn't a mistake made. And then you recognize that there wasn't a mistake made when you go into talking about the family that you desire and things like that. It can come from a different perspective, a perspective of more understanding, of more acceptance, and more accountability. And not pity, guilt, criticism, sadness, things like that, going from the route of you made a mistake. No, understand first that you didn't make any mistakes. That you made all the best choices that you could given all the circumstances and all the knowledge that you had up until that point. Making a choice that you believe to be best. That's why you chose it. Because we are designed to protect ourselves. That's why we have anxiety. Protection, fear, protection. We are designed to protect ourselves. So the choices that we make them with the belief that the other choice wouldn't be the safest choice for our protection. And protection could be emotional, mental, spiritual, whatever the case may be. So we're always going to make the choice that we think is best for ourselves because we are designed to do so. This is why you can't really suffocate yourself or keep your own hand over your own nose. Your body's going to want to get air. And it's going to start acting involuntarily to save itself. Unless you hinder its ability to do so. So we are innately designed to protect ourselves. So every decision that we made was in that regard. So we made no mistakes. We made the best choice for ourselves that we could, with all the parameters and dynamics involved in those events, in those moments. So when we see others that are having lives that we think we should have, then we realize, no, I'm having the life that I chose to have. And they're living the life that they chose to have. And nobody's got to do something over somebody else. And then you realize, I get to choose something different now. I get to make choices that will lead me to the next experience in life I would like to have, which could be family, which could be a career, which could be leisure, vacations, whatever it is. If we are made in the image of God, and God doesn't make any mistakes, neither do we. We have God in us. We don't make mistakes. We make choices and decisions based on calculated risk that all of our bodies are factoring: mental, spiritual, physical, emotional. And these are all the things going on in the background of our consciousness. We're not aware of all of it. Until we become aware of it.